everyone, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today I'm going to clean my computer out, my main computer. That thing runs every single day. It's not on 24/7, but it's on virtually every day of the week, Saturday, Sunday as well. I'm always using it, whether I'm live streaming or recording. That is my main computer. And if you have the same issues as what I'm starting to get, which is the temperatures have started rising, especially as the weather's getting warmer anyway, and you know, summer outside, but my temperatures are still quite high. They're under control, don't get me wrong, they're not, you know, overheating, not yet anyway. It might be that you just need to give it a good clean out. So today, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to give that a good clean out. I'm going to do it the Yorkie way. This isn't maybe the right way to do it, but it's the way that I do it. So what I'll do first, I'll disconnect the whole computer. I'll put it on the table and I'll show you all the dust that's inside and on the outside of it, and show you why it needs cleaning out. So with that, shall we get on with it? So first of all, just make sure you shut it down properly, and you make sure you wear a static wristband or something like that. You earth yourself out, just for safety reasons, because you don't want no static. And I will probably be using a Hoover, which is something I wouldn't recommend that you do, because it can damage your computer, but I will be doing it. So as you can see, completely blocked up, wants cleaning out. So that's one of the first jobs I need to do, inside and out. Inside there, that will want all cleaning out, all the filters taken off. On top, it's not too bad, so maybe just give it a good hoovering, top and bottom, but not too bad. A little bit dusty, probably spiders going over it, but not too sad. The front, the front will definitely want cleaning. So yeah, I'll hold it up to the light so you can see it better. So it definitely wants cleaning out. Inside, not too bad really, quite clean, so the filters are doing their job, which is good. Edging wants cleaning. So I need a Hoover on it, and a brush, so I'll use a paintbrush and give it a good clean out. So with that, shall we get on with it? Right, so I need to take the fans off. Should be quite easy to do. 4 screws, so I can clean the insides off. So I've had to get the old Hoover out, and the reason is because someone forgot to put the cordless one on charge over the last couple of days and left it off. So I've had to go back to my old Hoover because I've still got it. One more filter, and this is the under the power supply at the back. Right, so that's it. So all we've got to do now is plug all the leads back in and hopefully turn it on and start up. Right, she's all working fine. Started up all right, no issues. It's nice and clean, it's good for another 4 months. I'll probably have to do it again in about 4, maybe 5 months. I've got to keep an eye on it. Like I said, it does run all the time, so it does get a bit warm, it does collect dust. And luckily it's got filters on it, so that really helps a lot. Cleaning the filters off is a lot easier than cleaning off the fans. So I'd always recommend you try and look for a case with filters on if you can. They are a little bit more expensive, but they're worth it in the end. And that's about it really. I wouldn't recommend you use a Hoover or brush because they can give static, but that's how I'm doing it and that's how I'm going to carry on doing it. And touch wood, I've never had an issue with a computer packing up on me so far. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.